Hello and welcome back again to my channel. My name is Priscilla Presley and I am back again today with another exciting video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I'm going to be making this amazing healthy drink. And before I go on telling you about this healthy drink I'm going to be making, I want to say a very big thank you to you guys for all your support. Because of you, my channel is growing, my views are going up. Yay! I thank you so much, and without you guys I wouldn't be here today. So I want to say a very big thank you so much. I love you guys so much for all your support, and I pray that you continue to support my channel, and I promise to improve every time. I'm still working on myself. I know it's not easy, but we're gonna get there eventually. So I want to say a very big thank you to you guys, and I hope you guys are having a great weekend. And also, please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please you could go ahead and click that red button there. And we want to grow more, want to grow big. And now I'm going to be taking you guys to show you what I'm going to be doing for you guys today. So stay tuned and see what I'm going to be making. So over here I have my fruits here that I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using the tamarind. This is what I'm going to be using in making this DIY. So I hope you guys would stick around and I'll walk you through how I'm going to be making this drink for us to drink. Okay guys, thank you. Keep watching. I'm going to keep you on pause because I need to go and take out the outer skin of this fruit before I go ahead and start with the whole process. But I'll walk you guys through it so you're not going to miss out anything. So just keep watching and I'll be right back. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. So I want to show you guys how I'm going to be taking out the outer skin of my tamarind. And this is it here. We're going to actually blend it with the seeds together. Everything I have in here is also beneficial to the skin. So we're just going to take as much as what I'm going to be using. And I also want to let you guys know that this fruit will make you look 20 years plus younger. And this tamarind fruit is great to eliminate fat in your liver and can also treat almost all liver problems. This fruit will detoxify your body, improve your digestive, protect your liver, lower cholesterol, and also if you have pie, using it. So I'm going to go ahead now and peel out all the skin. I'm taking the outer skin out. And I want to make sure that I take this part of it, this dry one out. So all you just need is I want to just walk you guys through quickly before we continue here. So I hope you guys enjoy. So after peeling it, this is what I've come up with. I'm going to go ahead now and put it in my blender before I go ahead and blend it. And I'm going to get like water. So just make sure you have like water over what you have that is sitting down. Make sure the water is over the top of it. So it depends on the amount that you're making. You know how much water you would need. But so far so good. Put it in the blender. And I'm going to go ahead now and add some water before I go ahead and blend. Like I said, you want your water to be over what you're putting in here. So you see how it is? It's down there, but you have water that is up above it. So we'll go ahead and cover this up. And then we'll go ahead and blend it. So this drink is very, very healthy for humans. This drink will make you look 20 years younger. It's great to eliminate fat in your liver and also can treat almost all, lower your cholesterol. So it is very, very, very beneficial for the skin. And I would rather you guys try it and see how it is, and you will let me know about this. Okay guys? Okay, it's ready now. So I'm gonna go ahead now. I'm actually gonna go ahead now and filter and strain out, you know, the juice. So I have my strainer here that I'm going to be using. I'm going to put this down here, move that out of the way, put the strainer here. So this is it. Oh my God, it's so thick. Holy Moses. Open it up. It's so tight. It is so thick. I'm going to go ahead and add more water here to make it a little soft. So maybe not too thick for me to be able to like blend it, to strain it. I'm going to mix it together. So after straining out, I'm going to add some honey, but this is optional. It's all ready. So filter, I'm going to go ahead now and put it in my strainer here. I'll go ahead and strain it out. So all we need now is just the juice. So you could drink this twice a day, or you drink it in the morning and also at night. If you want to drink it, make sure you drink it before you eat anything in the morning, and also before or after dinner at night. So try this at home, and please let me know. I'll just strain it out, make sure I strain out everything nicely. I think I make it way too thick. I should have put more water, so it'll be easy to strain out. So I'll bring you guys. So this is my drink here. I just added a tablespoon of my honey in here. It's just, you know, to make it have a good taste, because you know it's kind of like soury taste. This has so soury. So just I added a tablespoon of honey. So if you feel like it's not too sweet for you, you could go ahead and add more, but I'm just sticking with it. Go ahead now, you know, take my time and just sip through it. Okay, so this will make you look 20 years plus younger if you consume it constantly. It's not just doing it one day and not doing it next day and expect result. You got to be consistent with your drink. Okay. I like it. It's a little sour, but it's good. So you guys try it at home and please let me know. I love you guys. I thank you so much for watching, and also please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and like I said, turn on the notification bell, and also give my video a thumbs up. Okay guys, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Thank you. Bye bye.